This 1988 classic Porsche came to us here at Porsche of North Olmsted from Erie, Pennsylvania. She needed some love, so the dream team here at this Porsche dealership met the challenge with a true Porsche classic restoration.
It is an absolutely stunning Porsche. When customers reach out to us with these kind of machines, we are always interested in getting our hands on them regardless of their age because they are timeless vehicles. It has gone through the Porsche Classic Restoration Challenge. This is the second year of the competition. Porsche actually opened it up nationally this year for dealers to select a classic Porsche and refurbish it, bring it back up to as close as it would have been when it rolled off the showroom floor in 1988. And then find a new home for it and showcase these vehicles and what we are capable of doing here at Porsche to keep these cars ready to go on the road and driving regardless of their age. This car came to us roughly 3 months ago. In that time, it hasn't seen any of the showroom floor at all. We have really been spending a lot of time, effort, and our money to make sure that this car is exactly what it would have been when it was new in 1988.
We started out, we did it backwards. We started out, had paint correction, and they cleaned it all up first to see what we were working with. And then we started with, had bad CV joints, so we replaced those. I did a complete tune-up wise, all filters, all fluids, spark plugs, wires, all the drive belts. Because we really didn't have a very good history on the car of what was done to it. So it's better to start out from scratch than to guess. We also put period correct tires on it. And so they were tires that were made in the 80s, but they're redone now. And then we've also done a little above and beyond and put the inlaid center caps on the rims as well to give it a nice little pop.
It's a great team event because with sales and service working together, obviously us acquiring the car, and then the guys in the back do the best job that they can do to get it ready. It is really a beautiful car. It is a classic in many ways.
It's got the best of both worlds because it's got enough miles on it to where it's not a quote unquote a collector car, but it's a nice go drive it on Saturday, Sunday, wash, drive, and go wherever you want to go for a weekend or whatnot.
We put a lot of money in the car, wanted to get it right, and even in regard of replacing windshield, tires, everything is like original. So I'm very happy with it. Let's see how long and who will be the proud new owner.
And that's a wrap on refurbishing this beauty. If you are in the market to add a Porsche 1988 930 Turbo to your collection, the price tag on this, $136,000.